When the weather is chilly, we make some delicious comfort food that is going to keep us full the entire day. So in this recipe, we'll be making some very classic Kenyan style beef wet fry, which is going to turn out awesome, tender, very flavorful with minimal ingredients. And also I'm going to be making a rice stir fry recipe, which is going to turn out nutty with a very nice onion flavor. So you're missing a lot if you are not going to be trying out this recipe. Prep up a few fresh ingredients ahead, and for the recipe you'll need 4 large tomatoes that are diced. I have 2 large onions, that is red and white, garlic and ginger, green onions, coriander. I have some cucumber and tomato for plating up my beef stew, 500 grams or half a kg of beef, some leftover rice which I'm going to be serving with my beef wet fry. Yes. So we're going to start off by boiling our meat, and my beef is a little bit fatty, which I don't mind because fat equals to flavor, and I've chopped up the beef into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to transfer into my pot and also it's bone in. Add in around 2 cups of water. Use my spatula, stir in a little bit. Then I'm going to cover and boil for around 10 to 15 minutes. My meat is ready and it's frying in its own rendered oil. The kitchen is smelling incredible. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Stir in, and you can see we have a very nice sear on my beef. Then I'm going to add in my onions, stir in. If your meat is not browning, you don't have any flavor. And also you'll notice that the pot has that brownish color. That is 100% flavor. So don't wash the pot and then you cook again the meat. You'll be losing some very good flavor. So you're going to cook the onions for around 1 to 2 minutes. And I'm using both white and red, as I said earlier on. So the white is going to add in a little bit of sweetness to the dish, while the red onion is going to add in a very nice red onion flavor. If you notice that your onions are browning too fast, reduce the flames to medium low and let the onions slowly cook. You can't make beef wet fry without adding in the signature Royco cubes, which add in immense flavor. So I'm going to be adding in 2 for the recipe. Stir in. And the onions are softening up and the kitchen is smelling amazing. Because I've already prepped up every ingredient, it's going to be very easy for me to cook my beef. So as the beef is cooking, I'm going to be making a very simple stir fry recipe, which I'm going to be serving with my wet fry. When ready, you're going to add in a thumb-sized ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. Stir in. Cook your garlic and ginger for around 30 seconds to a minute or until it's very flavorful. While everything is cooking, I'm going to place my pan over medium flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the pan can heat up. add in around a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Add in your leftover rice, then using a spatula, you're going to break down the rice and let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. Reduce the flames to medium low so that the rice can slowly heat up. Adding the sesame seeds to the rice is going to add in some crunch and a very nice nutty flavor. Check on my beef stew, which is cooking perfectly. So because we added in 2 seasoning cubes and they contain a little bit of salt, I'm going to be adding in more so that I can fully season my beef stew. You can see the tomatoes are cooking down, so I'm going to cook for another minute or so. Check on my rice. Perfectly cooking. Going to check the seasoning. Need a pinch of salt. After 2 minutes, I'm going to check on my rice, stir a little bit, then I'm going to add in some green onions, which are going to add in lots of flavor. Toss the rice together with the green onions, put out the flames because my rice is ready. And just look how gorgeous my leftover rice is looking. It's colorful, crunchy, and delicious. So I'm going to check on my beef stew, which is also ready. Check the seasoning one more final time. And it's just perfect. It's delicious, very flavorful. So I'm going to garnish with coriander, lots of it. Stir and serve. My beef wet fry turns out amazing. As you can see, it has lots of onions, which is the signature style of making beef wet fry. Also, we have a very nice onion flavor. The meat is tender, flavorful. Mwah! Everything is just perfect. So this recipe is worth trying because we have used very minimal ingredients, including the stir fry, which has used around 4 ingredients. So I've served up with some cucumber and tomato salad, which is very easy to make. All you have to do is slice some cucumber, tomatoes, season with salt, and serve. And this balances out the plate. So yeah, give this recipe a try. Catch you on my next episode. Bye.